Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab with the TRD Sport upgrade and manual transmission. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger 4x4 pickup truck in a stylish Barcelona red. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine. You'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your upgrade package is your sports tuned suspension as well as your Qi wireless charging station.
Helping you into your Tacoma is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have a stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening up those doors now to take a look. Plenty of space to hop into your Tacoma. You have a stylish and sporty interior, some storage on the side. You have your power windows, your power locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. You also do have your cargo lamp in the back, your 120-volt AC plug-in, your fully automatic high beams, and you also have your clutch start system. Plus, you have your all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. And check out the real showstopper of your TRD Sport, your leather trim with that 3-dimensional center detailing. And of course, letting in all that light as your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open during those long summer drives. Why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Tacoma, foot on the brake and the clutch with your key in the ignition there. Dashboard's gonna light up with that cool blue ambient lighting. And your welcome screen. There is a low fuel warning, but we'll make sure that the tank is nice and full before you take it out for a test drive. As you can see, you also do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. An important feature to know about your multi-information display is your settings for your Toyota Safety Sense features. Things like your pre-collision system, lane departure alert. You can turn on and off those alerts, plus set the sensitivity of those sensors. You can also change the color of your display there. Right now it's on red, there's blue, and just any color to match your personality. You also have your volume control, your mode changers, hands-free calling, voice command mounted on one side. Plus you have your dynamic radar, cruise control, lane departure alert, manual buttons below, and you have your cruise control option underneath your steering wheel. You also do have your automatic headlights with your fog lamps. You have that perforated leather detailing on your steering wheel, wrapped all the way around with and finished with leather. Taking a look at your LCD screen now. What we're going to do is we're going to turn on your daytime mode so you can see, opening up your navigation system in your applications. It's a very straightforward system to use, so definitely come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. Opening up your audio system, you've got your AM, FM radio, Sirius XM radio, CD player on top with your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio. Now, shifting into reverse, you just have to pull all the way to the side there, and your backup camera will pop up to help you in and out of those tight spots and protect everything that's important to you. Now, speaking of settings, that color, you simply go to your setup here. You go to general and you can change it. This is the blue one. There you go. Now below here, you can see that you have your digital display for your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver, passenger side. Also, your heated seat option is easily accessible on your center dashboard. You have your 4x4 option, your heated mirrors, as well as your blind spot monitor, which when you turn it on, you can see the alert pop up on your side view mirror. Below here, you can find your power slide rear window. You have your USB auxiliary input and 12-volt DC charger. This button here activates your Qi wireless charging station, which below here you can put your compatible device and it will charge for you without any cords or wires hanging all over the place. A tech-savvy feature that we love about our Tacoma Sport upgrades. You have that leather trim on your shift knob there for added style. Finished off with the parking brake. You have that chrome detailing on your cup holders, plus in your center console another 12-volt DC charger in case you need to charge your tablet for work. You've got a nice sturdy center console, and inside your glove box you'll find your lug nut, key, plus your manuals, so that you'll know everything there is to know about your Tacoma. There's also a lock for added safety. Plenty of stylish and functional features built right into your Tacoma TRD Sport upgrade. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Tacoma. Taking a closer look, you can see that you have a rear cargo lamp in case you're working in the back. You also do have your power slide rear window to let in some fresh air. Your Tacoma also comes fitted with a backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have a handy step into your cargo bed, plus you have your trailer tow equipment and your spare tire storage underneath. Opening up your easy lift and lower tailgate, no more slamming that door down anymore. Check out how smooth it is. You have plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have a 120-volt AC plug-in and some convertible storage on the side, plus your drop-in box liner to keep things nice and protected. Backing up now, you can see you have your chrome V6 badging plus your TRD Sport. On the side there, your chrome tipped exhaust and your standard mud flaps to keep the noise and rock chips down. As we take one more look at the back of your Tacoma.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab with the TRD Sport upgrade and your manual transmission. Built right into your Tacoma is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding away in the ultimate comfort. But don't just take my word for it, come on in and take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.